sure you've heard me harp about this before, but anytime you do any fuel service work around these old diesels, like changing the hand primer pump or changing that pre-filter or even changing the main filter, you want to be sure and protect the motor mount from any type of diesel fuel spills, and particularly diesel purge. That can really rot a motor mount quickly. So for years I've shoved old paper towels down here and let this drip on them, and then I've pulled them out. And these usually get pretty wet. And you know, I looked down there and I wondered, did I get 100% protection for that motor mount down there? So finally I think I found something that works better. This here is designed to be used as a funnel. You can curve it, you know, and get it to let fluids drain wherever you want them to drain. But I saw this and I said, wow, this is a rubberized, coated, thin piece of aluminum, so you can bend it like this. But I thought this may be the perfect motor mount protection shield when doing fuel service work on these old diesels. And sure enough, you can put it down in here like this, and you can take it and aim it right onto a drip pan underneath, and then you can go ahead and put it underneath your pre-filter and even bend it up on this side if you want. Bend it up like that. Now when you remove the pre-filter, all the drips from that pre-filter are going to go right down into your drain pan on the ground. And you have a protected motor mount. When you do the main filter here, just move this over like this, so it's protecting any drips going down that way, and those will also run out onto your drip pan on the floor. So I feel this is a great solution to protect your old diesel motor mounts. And don't forget, this also works great as a funnel for either fuel or engine oil.